Hey viewers, you are watching TechPlus. For more information, please subscribe my channel. Click bell icon for notification. How to earn $10 to $50 in a day with the help of online sources. And please watch complete video step-by-step guide. First of all, I want to show you few places where you can do this work as file converter. Let's see Fiverr first. It's fiverr.com. Here you can easily see I will convert PDF to Excel. Its price $5, and I will convert PDF to Excel instantly, $5. And here you can see I will convert your bank statement from PDF to Excel. Its price $30. And here you can also see I will convert PDF to Excel starting from $30. And here you can see I will do PDF to Excel conversion manually, $40. This is easy work and you can do within a few minutes. Let's see on Upwork. It's Upwork. Here we find out the file conversion. Maybe here somewhere available, PDF to Excel. Let's see here any job present. Yeah, here you can see data entry PDF to Excel, convert PDF data to Excel. Price, fixed price, it's $5. Convert Excel files to PDF document newsletter, fixed price $75. And here you can also see convert PDF to PDF table into Excel. Its fixed price $350. Now more here you can see data entry and spreadsheet. It's a monthly basis. If you want to do work as a permanently basis, then you can offer on this project. Here you can see create Excel data entry 170 lines, 5 column, fixed price $100. Guru.com. Here you also can see different people providing their services, and this girl providing their services to convert files, PDF to Excel conversion, $8 per hour its price, and starting from $25. PDF to Excel, it's providing free services, no problem. And here business directory PDF to Excel sheet, $8 per hour. PDF programming, yes, here PDF to Excel conversion, $8 per hour, starting from $25. Let's see how can we do this work and provide our services on Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, Guru.com, and freelancer.com. Type PDF to Excel in Google search engine. Here you can see many websites are present, and they provide free services to convert your file. We will open few websites here. Here we can do our work. Okay, let's see. It's a small PDF.com. Let's put our file here. To open. Convert to Excel. Yes, of course, choose option. Here you can see within a few minutes we will change our file and download here. It will be started to download. Complete. Let's open this. Yeah, here you can see its Excel file. First I want to show you my PDF file. Maybe here. Yes, of course. Yes, yeah, this is PDF file you can see here, and this will be easily convert into Excel format. Now we will convert our Excel file to PDF. Now we put our Excel file here and made the changes. Here it's Excel file. Now we convert this file to the PDF. Yes, of course, convert to PDF. Download. Open file. Yeah, here you can see the file converted to PDF. You see, we will convert all our files from online websites easily. Now you can see other websites also here. I love PDF. Select PDF files. Here you can select your file and change here Excel or PDF. Here you can see one more website, convert PDF to Excel. This is, I think so, this site is paid. Leave this site and go to another one. Here it's nitro.com. Here try Free.This website, I think so, also paid. Here many websites are available on google.com. You can easily find out different sites and do your work within a few minutes and provide your services on upwork.com or fiverr.com. With this work you can get more money. Thanks for watching.